Hi everyone, my name is Young Xun and I go by the nickname Zero. I'm currently an active student and accounting student in Multimedia University in Cyberjaya campus, studying my final year. I believe an excellent accountant student will be definitely juggling between your studies and core curriculum and also keeping up to trend with whatever is going on in the industry. So for me, what I did was I carried out two things. Number one is a very strict schedule to be followed on, making sure when it's time to study, I study. When it's time to have fun, I have fun. When it's time to work on my side project, I'll work on my side project. And making sure during my sem break, I will try to talk with industry leaders to keep up to trend what's happening in the accounting industry. And the second thing would be definitely being disciplined about it. So you can have a very good schedule with all the time laying off, but if you're not able to discipline enough to keep up with it, I think that would be not ideal. So I think these two things is what I would carry out my strategy on how to be an excellent accounting student. And in terms of the biggest achievement that I have in my accounting 4 years in MMU would definitely be list on Forbes 30 Under 30 and Tech Malaysia for the Gen T Future Leaders list. I think these two notable achievements really put my efforts in accounting, of course, what I'm doing on the side for my startup, really put a smile on my face. The reason why I choose accountancy is because I believe accounting is the backbone, is the language of business. So for whoever is running a business or running a startup or in higher management, it's very crucial for us to know the numbers, the figures in and out in the financial statements, every single cent coming into the startup, to the company, and every cent going out. So I think with the language of business knowledge, which is accounting, will enable me to make wiser and efficient decisions along the way if I'm running a company or if I'm in an organization to contribute the value of the organization with the accounting knowledge. And what inspired me to take accounting will definitely be, I would say, my parents, who has been always listing out options of career when I was lost when I was in Form 6 STPM. So just for a backstory, I came from a science background. When I was SPM, I took physics, bio and chemistry. And when I enrolled into STPM, I took physics as major. And just as I was in the physics stream, I realized that it wasn't something that I'm really good at or something that I'm really passionate about. So I was thinking of other options. And my parents came in giving me the suggestions of accounting as a degree that could ultimately help me in my future career. And I think though they are the inspiration of me choosing accounting. The one thing that excites me a lot about accountancy industry would be the impact of artificial intelligence. We all see how ChatGPT just suddenly appeared in the past few years, and it shocked everyone. Now everyone is using ChatGPT in their daily life and work puzzle. So I think how it impacts us is really, really exciting. Is it going to assist us? Is it going to lessen our workload, especially in maybe per se the audit industry? Because audit is repetitive work. You look at the past year, you perform audit work every year. It's around the same. So I want to see whether the artificial intelligence is able to help us, and I'm looking really forward how AI companies can help per se the big giants, the big fours in maintaining their audit operations. This is something that I'm really excited to see. And of course, I also, for the second question, I am also looking forward to join any of the profession that's related to accountancy. The things that are top of my mind right now is, of course, management consulting, investment banking. And if those doesn't work out, I will also look forward into running my startup full-time and see what path takes me.